Hands on deck, hands the producer, hands the producer, hands the producer, hands in the back, in the pins, back, in the back, in the pins, back. They don't call him peace for nothing,
Hi everyone, I know it has been way too long since I've recorded a video, but don't worry, I'm here to explain it. And as you can see, I am in a dorm room, but I'm going to explain all of that in a little bit. So I just have some notes so I won't forget what I'm supposed to say. Where have I been? Well, I've been in school. I started school in August of 2015, and it's sad to say, but the last time I uploaded a video was November 12th, 2016. That was 2 years ago, and I'm so sorry. I never ever want to disappear for that long, but I have a good reason, so let me just get into that. So from the last time I uploaded a video, November 2016, the very next month I got what I consider my first job. I had a job before that, but we're not going to get into that. That's a story for another time. So I started my first job December 2016, and on top of that, I was in school. I was attending Central Georgia Technical College, and the new year came around, so the whole 2017 I was in school and I was working. I barely had any time to like make any videos, and I was really busy. And on top of that, my poor laptop just decided to stop working on me. So I don't have a laptop. Well, I have a laptop, but this is my laptop. This is my laptop. It's been through it. Yes, I know it's been through it. It's been dropped, it's cracked and everything, but this isn't the laptop that I used to edit on. I had a big laptop where you could insert a disc for like editing and stuff, and it just decided it wanted to stop working sometime in 2017. So that's like really the real reason I haven't made videos, because I can't edit videos like I want to. But yeah, that's just what's been going on. I've been in school and I've been working, and I don't have a laptop where I can edit on. So I'm just going to use my iPhone 6 Plus S to record videos on. And I do have a camera where I can record videos on, but it doesn't have a front facing camera, and it gets kind of annoying trying to record a video and I can't see myself like I can now. So that's what's been going on. And 2018, I graduated in May with my associate's degree from Central Georgia Technical College. And remember, I still had a job at that time. So I was working, getting ready to graduate from college, on top of not having a laptop where I can edit videos. Fast forward until this summer, I left my job in July and I started school again to finish off my bachelor's degree. I'm currently at College of Coastal Georgia, and I started school in August, and it's November right now. It's November 15th. We're getting ready to go on Thanksgiving break, and I really need to be packing. That's what I'm about to do right now, but that's what's been going on. I'm so sorry. but we're going to make it work. I'm going to use my phone for right now, or if I do decide, I'm going to record on my camera and just edit on my phone, if that'll work. And as you can see, I do have a new channel name. My old channel name was Modelbeautyy. That's a name I've been using since I was 17. I just turned 25 5 days ago. It's now November the 15th and my birthday is November the 10th. So I just felt like Modelbeautyy was just old and boring, and I wanted something new and fun, and I came up with Pristiny Productions. And for anybody who doesn't know me, my name is Pristiny, so I felt like Pristiny Productions would be something different and fun. I'm still going to be making the same content. It's still going to be natural hair, fashion, beauty, DIYs, yoga, lifestyle videos. Everything's going to be the same. I'm just really excited about my new channel name and what's to come, and make sure you guys just keep up with me. I mostly post on Snapchat, but also follow my Instagram. I post on there too. We're going to make this work. And I promise I'm not going to disappear this time, because I really like making videos and it's something I really enjoy. So just follow me on my social networks, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.